Alright guys, so we're gonna do a test drive on the Model X. This is the SUV. Let's do a quick look around here. Did not close the door, closed itself. You guys can take a quick look at the interior. Very nice seats. Let's open up the back. Bird wing style. You can see it's got an extra row of seats in the back as well if needed. There's only one up right now, but show you guys a far shot real quick. Bird wing style. Alright guys, let's get to the test drive. I'll hop on the GoPro and we'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, we are in the Model X. So I'm just checking out the settings here. Let's go to driving. Oh, it's in Ludacris Mode, so let's put it in. No, I want my mommy. Yes, bring it on. Okay, and just hold this for a minute. Okay, we're good to go. Let's go to drive. Again with the gear shift, I keep thinking I have to hold on to a gear shift, but there is no gear shift here. The first thing I notice when I get in this car is actually the windshield. Like the windshield goes, it feels like you don't have a windshield basically, like it's like endless. You don't see the top of the roof. So that's very interesting. I'm not used to that. Oh my god, this thing is so fast. I literally just touched the gas and it picked up so fast. Alright guys, so you guys can see lots of room in this thing. Very comfortable. Like I said, the windshield is tripping me out a little bit. It goes all the way back to, you know, right here. Feels like I'm in a plane or something. I really think everyone should at least try one of these cars, because once you try one of these, it's literally like nothing you've ever been in before. A little, oh, look at the cup holders. Look at that. Oh fuck. Guys, take a look at the gauge cluster. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm anxious to see the speed of this thing. Too many cars around to really blast it. Make sure there's no cops before I do this one. These days, you guys, you don't know what is a cop and what isn't a cop, you know? So maybe I can go on one of these streets or something, or is this... Whoa, fuck, I almost threw up. Holy shit, that's way too fast. Oh my god. Oh, guys, my heart literally like went to my ball sack. Like, I don't know what the hell happened. Holy shit, that's fast. I'm gonna find another street. Oh my god. I'm literally gonna puke, man. That is so fast. Holy shit. It's just too fast. Holy crap. You don't even need to drive supercars anymore. This is everything right here, except for the sound. Like, it doesn't have the sound, but power is there, man. There's a school bus coming. Wow, it's not gonna look good if I do fucking 100 down here. It's a life when you drive a Tesla. Your biggest concern is where to go fast. Cops are driving these things these days. That one's empty. I love how the Tesla, it doesn't slip though. There you go, guys. That's 0 to 100. Not really, but a rolling 0 to 100 anyway. There's too many police around here. I'm sketching out. Now when I come down the street, it's full of people and stuff. Come on, man. Oh shit, how do you work the wipers? Oh, there we go. You just pull a quick U-shin. Dude, right here. This is the one. Okay, let's do this. There's no cars. Just check this road. I'm gonna do 0 to 100, guys. 100% now. Keep putting it in neutral. I'm not gonna do the whatever with the pedals. I'm just gonna hit it. Ready? 1, 2. Oh fuck. Just go around me, you fuck. Hey guys, waiting for this slow fucker to go, and then we're gonna hit it, and then that's it for today. 1. Oh no, they're turning around. Sorry guys, I'm just waiting for this retard, man. Fucking do what you're doing. Do something with your car, man. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna check out this person for tripping me the fuck out. What the fuck are you doing, man? Do you know what area this is?
What it's called?
Yeah.
I don't, mate.
No, eh?
Nah. What are you looking for?
Alright, guys. I don't know if that guy's a cop, but fuck it. Who cares? Do up the window. Do the windshield wipers once. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, there you go. I almost fucking threw up. It literally does not slip, man. I just tried to cook that corner and it doesn't slip. Oh shit, I keep changing the fucking thing, thinking that's 2, 3. Yeah, you can't slide this thing. I literally just tried. That was full blast around the corner. Shit, again. Always putting it in neutral almost. Joke. Alright guys, there you have it. Tesla Model X, guys. This thing, I feel like this one, I don't know why, maybe it's the windshield, but it feels even more like a roller coaster than the, I think it's like the P100 or whatever they call it. P100D, I think it is. It's just ridiculous, guys. But I actually like the window in this one. It's kind of trippy. It literally feels like you're in a fighter jet. Straight figure mag. This is the Tesla X, the performance model SUV or whatever they call it, crossover. And peace, guys.